If I lost everything and I had to rebuild my entire marketing system from scratch in 24 hours, I'd use AI to do it. No team, no budget, just ChatGPT, a few other tools, and a game plan. And by the end of the day, I would be generating leads. Let me show you how. What's up? I'm Austin. I help small business owners get out of the marketing chaos and actually start generating leads using simple automated systems. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I would build a fully functioning marketing system in just one day using AI. So in this 5-part system, step 1 is creating the offer. I'm going to do this on ChatGPT and it's probably going to take me about 30 minutes. And here's what the prompt would say. Act as a direct response marketer. Help me write a compelling offer for, enter your target audience, who struggles with, enter the pain point. Using emotional triggers and urgency. You need to dial in who the offer is for, the core problem it solves, and why now. ChatGPT is going to help you build 3 things here. The offer headline, the sub-headline, and 3 bullet points of transformation. Now within 30 minutes, I have a tight offer I can sell with confidence. Step 2, we're going to need to build a lead magnet, and this can be done using ChatGPT and Canva. It's probably going to take us about an hour. Here's the prompt. Outline a 1-page checklist that helps enter my audience, solve, enter the problem, and it helps them solve it fast. Make it easy to understand and actionable. Obviously, you're going to need to massage what happens afterwards, revise and edit, but you're going to be able to get started here with the prompt. Copy the results, paste it into Canva, select a template over on Canva, and export it as a PDF. I would now have a downloadable lead magnet that I can use in different campaigns to capture leads. Now, how am I going to capture leads? Well, that's step 3. We're going to need to build a funnel. We're going to use GoHighLevel in ChatGPT and have AI help us write the copy. Here's what that prompt would look like. Write a landing page with a headline, sub-headline, bullet points, and CTA for my offer. Enter your offer there. Make the tone clear, confident, and no fluff. You're going to go into GoHighLevel. You can create a template of a funnel in here if you don't have a lot of experience. And at that point, you are going to paste in the copy within that template, the headline, the sub-headline, the bullet points, and the offer. I'm probably then going to set up a form so that way they can fill out their information to then in exchange get that lead magnet. On the thank you page, I can have an additional offer, discount, promotion, and a calendar on there to set up a call to action to book a call. So now the funnel is live, traffic ready, calendar's connected, and lead magnet is connected. Step 4, we're going to need to create some ad copy and content. We're going to use ChatGPT and Canva to do so. And because we're doing a little bit more graphic design here, this could take probably 2 hours. Here's the prompt. Write a Facebook ad that targets your audience and promotes your offer. Use curiosity, pain, and urgency. Give me 5 Instagram content ideas that are going to help me educate the audience and problem I solve. Generate scroll stopping headlines, and then help me build 3 ad graphics in Canva. This is going to give you all the copy you need. Again, remember, you're going to need to massage these posts further on ChatGPT. However, you can then take that copy, you can put it into a Facebook ad and build out an ad on Facebook. You can now take that copy, you can build them on templates for ads on Canva, and you now have your creative all ready to go to build the campaign. Once you launch that campaign, this is where you're going to begin to start generating leads. From that point on, this is where step 5 comes into play. When a lead comes into your CRM, whether they just filled out their information to become a lead from getting the ebook, or they went all the way through and booked on your appointment on that thank you page. That's fantastic. That'd be hitting a home run. For those that become a lead, but they did not become an appointment, ultimately that's your goal. You want to know of these people that download the ebook, which of them received enough value and built enough trust to want to book an appointment with me. So at that point, there needs to be follow-up that occurs immediately when somebody fills out their information to become a lead and goes into your CRM. So we need to automate the follow-up using ChatGPT and GoHighLevel. Building out this automation and writing this copy could take about 2 hours. Here's the prompt. Write a 3 text and 3 email, you can have more if you want, automation that is going to help try to get somebody to book a call with me, and please try to make this more helpful, not salesy. From there, you're going to go into GoHighLevel and you're going to build out an automation. Email 1 is going to be thanks with the value being the lead magnet you created. Email 2 could be a quick win and a testimonial that you're showcasing from something something you've done. And then email 3 needs to be the urgency call to action. This is really trying to create something that's going to make it urgent that they should jump on a call with you. This is going to be great because this is going to allow me to have a system set up to work for me 24/7. Again, you can add as many emails and texts as you like to drag out that nurture. If you have a longer sales cycle in your business, 3 texts and 3 emails are probably not going to be fit. However, you can extend this further and you can add in even more. So this could be a 6-month nurture if you wanted it to be. So here is the exact AI powered marketing system that I'm going to be building in those first 24 hours. I'm using ChatGPT for brainstorming, content, and strategy. I'm going to be using Canva Pro for lead magnets and ad creatives. GoHighLevel is going to be the funnel builder, CRM, automation tool, and calendar. And Meta Ads is going to be the ad platform that I am using to drive traffic to this lead magnet once everything is ready and live. There is no agency, no tech overwhelm, just clarity, speed, and leads. If you want a system like this set up for you, my team does do it all. The funnel, the copy, the animations, the ads, you name it. Or if you find that you're more of a DIYer and this is something you want to do yourself, we do also offer private one-on-one coaching where we can actually train you on how to do all of this. So book a call, let's build your AI-powered marketing machine. We hope this helped and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya.